Lamphang ka iingdorbar u Thomas A Sangma hakasi balang ula Weng no iaki jingkynnoh jong Mukul Sangma pyrshah ya Chief Minister ka jilla halor ka jingkynnoh ba udon ka jingadei ka bajan bat usnar nong kai drok na Mizoram na kamat iatai ne proceeding jong ka iingdorbar namar ka jinglong pyrshah iaki kendon an Hawa kedau yaki kendon u Thomas ula ong kumtaru ban pentrai kam yaki neki kendon an ngala Weng no yaki neki jingkynnoh balapen mi da Mukul Sangma na kamat iatai hapo ka iingdorbar namar kilong pyrshah yaki kendon an nalor kata haba penken mau baka Meghalaya Legislative Assembly kadai ka balatip hakari barok kawe halor ka jinglong disiplin ne ka jingat bej ha ka jingpenlong dorbar Lamphang ula ong kumta omdei ban shim benta ha ka ban khot kerteng kenno klem ki sakhi satar babiang Kani ka jingpen pau jong Lamphang kalawan long ru hadian ba usumbut menteri rangba kajela ubadei ru in charge parliamentary affairs uba Preston Tensong ula kerpat nak benta ban Weng no ya kini ka jingkynnoh jong Mukul pyrshah el chief minister kajela kata da ka bakun turu ya uni udukhat na po songak ba un kiar ban persyongnya leng ba kidur kidar Mukul Sangma haba pen pau halor katai ka jingkren ula ong ba deputy chief minister ula songtho bakala halor ka jingmut jong kani ubriu uba ka kerteng jong u kalami haki national media udei ubriu ubala syak keno om ubala syak rai penrem ngamsem la keno halor hino ki kambaman ki balale kumbala pen pau hakadur ngasngo bakalong ka badan kam banlong kam usiar habangi don hakakam bat ka bor balapun kup kat kum kariti sensyar khadar ula ong Nalor kata ula ong ru ngalapun pau ha ka jingkran jonga banga a jumut ya u chief minister ka jilla naga benta ban kiar ya lade naga jingdon je ade bat ki bakum ki ne ki brio ya ki ba omla satya ban tep ki de ki e kasyong ha chief minister ban bu ya ki ha ka jing husiar ka ne ka de ka banga ong henry menta balai ba ka sarkar ka khuslai bat leng a naga benta ban ya daya ka ong shu Mukul Sangma haba pun pau ka jing sukhya balawan ra ya ka kerteng jong u ha ka ne ka jingatai ka bom dadon kam na kaliang u chief minister ka jilla ula kentu ya une unong yalam ka ITC ba unwan ra yaki sakhi satar ki babiang unong yalam kaliang pyrshah Mukul Sangma haba kidan bat kinong thok kubor hadien ka dorbar hakasni balang ula ong ba ula pendep ya ka kamram ban maham ya u chief minister Conrad ke Sangma ban long khamusiat ya usnar khayidrok na Mizoram Mukul ula kam ba ula yarap ya u chief minister dakaba a ya u ya ka ne ka jingtep halor u Henry yo yo iya ka khubor ka balapan mi na du usnam arajar khatlai
I have already made my submission in the house. What did I say? If you go through the whole proceeding of yesterday's the proceeding that was recorded for as far as that particular item is concerned, what will you see? You will see the same thing which I have said. I have cautioned and I have advised the CM to see that he disassociate. So that is my advice. And I have also said, I am sure you won't get offended because I am suggesting that the Chief Minister should dissociate his association. Since in view of what was carried by the national media, I feel that he should. That is my prerogative and it is also his responsibility to find out. He should rather go after the man and find out what exactly has happened to the case. And is he still, in any way directly or indirectly associating with other friends? Because it is not only one person. Along with that person, there are other persons from Delhi. So whether they are still in those kind of activity or not is up to him. He has all the ways and means to find out. He can just write to Government of India, to the concerned authorities and find out. What did I say? That means I have said that put a scanner in view of what has happened. How will you interpret? This interpretation is simple. Any layman will understand what Dr. Mukul Sangma has suggested.